How to fix Facebook app not loading. Firstly, give your device a quick restart. Turn off and turn on your phone. Restarting your device clears temporary glitches and memory issues. Also, make sure that you check for your network connection. If your current network is lagging, then try switching to your different network or your mobile data. Since Facebook is not working, then try force stopping. Navigate to the Facebook app and tap and hold on it. Click on eye icon to go to app info. At the bottom panel, click on force stop and click on OK to enable it. Once enabled, try opening the app normally. Again, go to the app info of Facebook app. Here under the section usage, click on storage. At the bottom right corner, click on clear cache to clear any cache available. Check for any kind of updates that may be available by opening Play Store on your device. Look for the Facebook app, and if you see the update option available, click on it to update the app. Sometimes the server might be down, so make sure to go to your web browser and check for Facebook server status. Additionally, also make sure that your device is not connected to any VPN. That's all for today. Thank you.